So marketing to insurance agents, plumbers, and property managers is the way to grow and scale your restoration business. At our restoration company within the Chicagoland market, we scaled from $3 million a year to over 8 figures by dominating insurance agents. And there's a lot of awesome gurus within the industry like Richelli, Mordecai, and such that really explain the step-by-step process of building relationships with referral parties to get more restoration leads. But my biggest qualm and frustration with marketing to these insurance agents, plumbers, and property managers is the fact that every time we come in there, we're perceived as a distraction because we're going to them. What if there was a better way? What if there was a way you can attract insurance agents, plumbers, and property managers to come to your restoration business? And that's exactly what I want to teach you in this episode of Albi After Hours. Let's dive in. So imagine a world where your restoration company hosts, let's say, an insurance agent event, and then utilizes certain marketing techniques to attract the entire insurance agent community from your local market to that insurance agent event, right? Perhaps it's an ethics class. And those insurance agents coming through the door, they're watching that ethics class, they have no idea what your restoration company is, but you as the restoration business owner get time to hop up in front of the entire class and explain your core values to the entire class. Afterwards, you call those people and you ask them, hey, thanks so much for showing up for this class. Would you like to find out more about the types of services that we provide as a restoration company? And they absolutely, you've already given them something, so they'll probably say, absolutely yes. So the question is, how can you create that within your restoration company? And that's what I'm gonna go over detailed step by step. Step one of this entire ordeal is identifying your ICP, ideal customer profile, or in this case, we'll call it an IRP, your ideal referrer profile, and I find an attractive offer that really resonates for them. So you wanna figure out, do I wanna go and market to insurance agents, to plumbers, to property managers, to fire departments? What is that IRP, that ideal referral profile? And what do they want? What's a very attractive offer for them? Let's think of insurance agents, for example. Insurance agents every 24 calendar months need to complete a minimum of 3 hours of an in-person ethics training that they typically go online and they go pay somewhere between $500 to $1,000 to be able to complete that class. And then they have to go somewhere inconvenient to be able to do that class. And then they walk away with a certification to be able to renew their license so that way they can sell more insurance policies. Well, you can go out and find an ethics instructor. And in fact, in certain states, you can become the ethics instructor. And for $1,500 to $2,000, you can have that instructor in that local hotel room in which you can host that class. So your offer for insurance agents would be, hey, free ethics classes. Come on by, you can go ahead and take care of your need of the ethics class. Now, you magically have this attractive offer that can attract your ideal referral profile of the insurance agents, and they all want to come to it. Step number 2 is actually setting up that offer for delivery. So what I mean by that is actually putting together all the logistics of being able to execute on that offer. So in the CE class example, you'll need that CE hour instructor, which you can find through your network, look online, or even comment below and I'll try to help you find one in your state. So comment below your state and such. The second thing you would need is a place to host that class. And a lot of people think that venues are super expensive, but your local hotels typically have meeting rooms that cost anywhere from $200 to $300 a day. So they're very cost effective to actually be able to host. And then the last thing you'll probably want is the logistics of food and add food to your offer. So you might want to find some sort of catering provider to be able to provide catering for that class. The third step of this is to package that offer into a way to communicate it. And that's basically creating the marketing material around it. So I highly, strongly recommend you shoot a video, just like I'm shooting a video to you guys right now, and basically say something along the lines of, attention insurance agents in the Chicagoland area, are you up for renewal on your license, or is that coming in the next 6 to 12 months? I know for a fact that you need CE hours on ethics, and I have this wonderful instructor by the name of Ray Dalio who's gonna come and present an ethics class. The class is free of charge. We have a networking opportunity for you to network with other insurance agents, and there's free food as well, right? Sign up at the link below so that way you can reserve your seat to this free ethics class. You shoot it, you snip it, and then those same words, you could use something like ChatGPT to put together an ad so that way you can start posting on social media, which we'll get to in a bit. And you could also take that same thing and have somebody create a flyer out of it so that way you could start spreading the word. Now, step number 4 is spreading the word and making sure that people know about that. And that's where the magic happens. So with a couple of quick Google searches, and I'll include a couple links below, you can find out how to run Facebook ads and LinkedIn ads with that video and that content and be able to target insurance agents within your area. That's what's super awesome. All these insurance agents are marked as an insurance agent on Facebook or LinkedIn because that's how they market to their audiences. And Facebook and LinkedIn are really, really good at targeting and knowing that that's an insurance agent and showing up the algorithm there. So all you have to do is basically run these ads, and you could probably spend somewhere around $100, $200, $300 on each channel for a class, and that will be enough to fill up that class of 30 to 50 people. The other thing that I didn't mention is you will need some sort of way to create a sign-up page or a registration page. I highly recommend RegFox. And the link will be down there below. But RegFox makes it super simple for you to create a registration website where people can put in their first name, their last name, their email address, and select which date of the class they want to come. And it's like very drag and drop, non-tech savvy way to create an event registration page. And at the end, the magic is you will get a class of 30 to 50 insurance agents that probably didn't know anything about you before that. And you are giving them something, and you're speaking and you're being able to connect them. And it's a lot less disruptive than you coming into their insurance agency. And during the times of networking, such as the lunch times and the times where you're handing out, the food and the cocktails, if you want to do a dinner afterwards, you can have those conversations and set up meetings with those people. And during those meetings, then you could pitch what the benefits are of them becoming a referral partner. But the strategy is completely different because imagine how much work you would have to put in to verbally knock on agents' doors and get 50 conversations or 30 conversations with insurance agents. It's a lot easier if you can find that offer to give them to be able to attract them. So really quick, recapping. You want to first figure out who your IRP is, or ideal referrer profile, and find an offer that is super, super attractive to them. In our case, it was CEO hours for insurance agents. Step number 2 is you want to set up that offer for delivery. So you want to go find the classroom that you're gonna host the event at, and you're gonna go find the instructor that's going to host that specific class, and find the catering provider, just kind of put all the moving parts together. Step number 3 is you wanna package all that up into some sort of content that you can use to spread the word. In our example earlier, we gave the example of shooting a video that is telling insurance agents in the entire Chicagoland area that now you have free CE classes. Step number 4 is launching those posts via Facebook and LinkedIn ads and targeting them specifically at the IRP within your specific profile. And step number 5, which is where the magic happens, is now you've got this room full of IRPs that you can start networking with, and it's a lot easier to get leads from that type of room than it is to go cold call and knock on a bunch of doors. If you have any questions regarding this progress, or if you actually implement this and succeed, please comment below, because we'd really, really appreciate to hear your feedback. And if you like this content and want to hear more, please hit the like, subscribe button, and that notification bell, as every single week we come out with new gold nuggets just like this. We'll talk to you guys soon.